I'm here today with Jennifer. We're in the tropical rainforest of South America. Today, we'll be observing all the tropical rainforest. For example, all these green trees and everything's nice and green. Do you hear that and see that? What could that be? It's the rain. The tropical rainforest gets an average of 50 to 260 inches of rain annually. That's so great, but I am feeling this humidity, man. Woo! Did you know the temperature ranges from 68 to 93 degrees? How cool is that? More like how hot. Ah! There are also many species of animals in the tropical rainforest. For example, did you hear that? Wait. Shh. It's an anaconda! Ah! Oh no! No! Leave us alone! No! Ah! We came in this abandoned house to get away from that pesky anaconda and the rain. Wow, it's so nice in here. It sure is. We hope you enjoyed this episode of J&K's Tropical Rainforest Adventure. Join us next time. Bye. I'm flying! Look at me, we're flying! I love you so much, Jack! Woohoo! My anaconda don't, my anaconda don't, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns on. Oh my God, look at her butt. Oh my God.
Look at her amazing precision and skill. Will she make it? Oh my God! Whoa! It was amazing! Unfortunately, she was disqualified for falling off the beam.
Boo! We're about to witness Jennifer San Juan break the world record for the biggest hole broke in an abandoned house. Watch. Holy shoot! Look at that big hole! How does it feel to be a world record holder? I feel like I'm unstoppable. I feel like everybody out there better watch out, cause I'm coming out here to break your record. Better watch out for her on the streets. Back to you, Tommy.
Hey! Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Oh, crap.
Get out